Hello! Namaste! Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hands On Happy Hands. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you! Happy hands making! Taal Volcano Eruption Painting. Taal Volcano or Bulkang Taal in the Filipino is located in the province of Batangas in Big Island of Luzon in the Philippines. It is a complex volcano and it is the second most active volcano in the Philippines with 34 historical eruptions. Taal has an island within a lake. The first eruption occurred in 1572, and 43 years after the 1977 eruption, the volcano erupted again on the afternoon of January 12, 2020. Let us pray to our kababayan and to our dearest family there in the Philippines, most especially near the volcanic field. Oh, gracious Lord, please be in the hearts and lives of all those people who are suffering. Oh God, bring healing to those who are enduring pain. Bring light to those who are seeing darkness. Bring shelter to those without home. Bring food to those who are hungry. Bring joy to those in great sorrow. Bring hope to those who are giving up. Bring family to those who are alone and lonely. Bring value to those who are disregarded. Come, hold them safe and secure. Wrap them with your loving arms. Guide their minds and calm their fears. Help them to balance their emotions. guide their way to a safety place, and give them courage to surpass these trials. I believe that you are a God of love, a God of compassion. I pray that you will be with all those who suffer silently and alone, who feel abandoned and left. Wrap your arms of grace around them until they know they are safely healed in your embrace. Amen. Isaiah 41 verse 10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Psalm 46 verse 1 to 3. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear, though the earth give way, and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea, though its waters roar and foam, and the mountains quake with their surging. Psalm 32 verse 7 to 8. You are my hiding place. You will protect me from trouble and surround me with songs of deliverance. Please like and share the video, and remember to subscribe to my channel Hands on Happy Hands with me, Princess. Thank you very much for watching!